nasty flow. You know how I go, you know how I do it when I'm smoking on that dope. Flipping, got my eyes low, got money, got more. Nigga talking shit, but they talking on the damn low. I overflow with gang. Nigga talking shit, but they lay I'm insane. Fly, pick your girl up like a crane. It's the same nigga. Hey, what's in this thing, bitch? Get down on this shit and suck a dick. Get rich from a nigga like me. Pimp shit, throw it till I die. Nigga talking shit everywhere. I'm too fly, I'm that guy. Hey, we'll see the Levi's and niggas talking that shit, but we high. Spies, haters, fuck yeah niggas. Y'all ain't ready for the shit we bringin'. Yeah. Bitch, Hail Mary like Tupac back. Nigga talking that shit off my set. Getting them racks, getting my pockets fat. Y'all niggas ain't riding that leg pimp tight. I already know we do it all night. Don't wanna fight, got that motherfucking good music, got that. Put it to use on you, bitch. You already know how we do this. It's a fucking murder scene, homicide. Don't lie, nigga, I'm too fly. I be that guy, fuck with me, A-Woods. I'm too motherfucking good. True, who is you? It's freestyling, wildin', like I do it. Fuck an opponent. Nigga can't get on my level. Nigga can't get on my level in my space shuttle. Been down to the old like this. I'm on this track. Check me out how I go all day, all night. Fucking niggas, you wanna fight? I put that one left to your one right. Niggas talking shit, get bitch. Thugging that shit. Get your cup in this bitch. Look. Right, don't get heat. Don't shoot that bitch for me. Boss man. I already know how to do it on these lanes, and I do it how I came, and I do it all the time. Make it rain, let it fall, let it look like a thunderstorm. You know.